Hello children, good morning. Welcome to your English class. Children, please take out your new master book. Page number 33. Your chapter 5, the rainbow. Open the page number 33. So, children, in this lesson, what happened? The speaker, the poet, compares the clouds with boats and ships, isn't it? And compare the rainbow with bridges on the rivers. And the rainbow is very prettier than bridges, isn't it? This is about the poem. So children, you have to by heart the poem also. So let us will see the exercises. Comprehension. Children, hold the pencil. Take the correct answers. Number 1, what sails on rivers? What sails on rivers? Boat, isn't it? Boats sails on rivers. Next, number 2, in the poem, boats and ships are compared to clouds. What are the river and sea compared to? Once again, children, in the poem, what happened? Boats and ships are compared to clouds, isn't it? What are the river and sea compared to? River and sea के साथ किसको कंपेयर किए हैं? The sky. River and seas जैसे river and seas को sky के साथ कंपेयर किया गया है. Okay, children. Next, number 3. What does the rainbow go over? What does the rainbow go over? कहाँ से किसके ऊपर से जाता है रेनबो? Over top. No, over tops the trees, isn't it? So number A. Answer will be number A. Number 4. A bridge bridges the river, isn't it? A bridge bridges the river means joins the river. What does a rainbow bridge? Rainbow किसको join करता है बच्चों? Joins heaven. No. Number C. Answer heaven. Okay. So question answer I will show you next on your page. Page number 34. Appreciation. Look at the pictures of these fruits and vegetables. Grapes, tomato, banana, brinjal. Did you notice their colors? Yes, what are the colors? Grapes are green, tomatoes are red, bananas are yellow, brinjals are purple. So write the names and colors of the fruits and vegetables. One has done for you. First one is done for you. Red strawberry. Red strawberry. Number 2 you have to write. Carrot. What is the color of carrot? Orange carrot. What is the color of onion? Pink onion. Okay. Next, what is the color of lemon? Yellow lemon. What is the color of watermelon? Green watermelon. Children, did you write? Okay. Next, make a list of fruits and vegetables that are of the colors of the rainbow. Share your list with the class. So, according to the rainbow, how many colors are there? 7 colors. तो वही कलर से जो fruits and vegetables हैं, you have to note down. Okay. Next you see Page number 35. Look at the pictures and what are they doing. This is Ananya. She is studying. Okay, according to the picture you can see here the Ananya who is studying. Next one is Meet Rohit. He is eating grapes. Can you see? Next one is Meet Barun and Anya and Rita. 3 children are there. So they are playing. Next one is, this is a car. It is quite old. It is written. So you can see here which words are dark. She, he, they, it. किसके लिए यूज किया गया है? She, he, they, it is used for whom? Let us will see. She is used in place of Ananya. Ananya is a girl, so for girl के लिए she यूज किया गया है. He is used in place of Rohit. Rohit is one boy, so boy, for the boy we use he. Next one, they is used in place of Barun, Anya and Rita. 3 children are there. So they are in plural form. जब plural form होता है तो we have to use they. उनके लिए, तीनों के लिए एक साथ हम लोग एक word यूज करेंगे, that is they. Okay, and it is used in place of the car. Car, name of things, no. So for car के लिए we have to use it. Okay children. So he, she, they and it are used in place of naming words. In the place of naming words, we use these words to avoid repeating names. When we talk about a girl or a woman, we use she. When we talk about a boy or a man, we use he. और गर्ल और वुमेन के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? शी. जब एक ही नाम को बार बार रिपीट करते हैं तो उसको अवॉइड करना है. टू रिपीट द नेम, टू रिपीट द नाउन्स को अवॉइड करने के लिए हमको क्या क्या वर्ड यूज कर हम लोग करेंगे? गर्ल्स और फीमेल लोगों के लिए शी, मेल लोगों के लिए ही. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एनिमल, अ बर्ड और थिंग्स, वी यूज इट. इट किसके लिए? एनिमल्स के लिए, थिंग्स के लिए, बर्ड्स के लिए यूज करेंगे. ओके, एंड वी यूज दे फॉर मोर देन वन पर्सन और थिंग्स. जब नाउन क्या हो जाता है? प्लूरल फॉर्म हो जाता है, मोर देन वन हो जाता है, तो हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? दे. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, प्लूरल फॉर्म में प्लूरल नाउन हो जाने से वी यूज दे. ओके चिल्ड्रेन. नेक्स्ट, नाउ यू हैव टू फिल अप. चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड्स टू कंप्लीट दिस सेंटेंसेस. पुट अ टिक mark. Okay, miss is reading, you have to find out he or she or it. Okay, Mona is my friend. Mona is my friend. You have to tick about these 3 options are there. Dash is 5 years old. Mona. If he is girl, then you have to use she. Boys है तो he यूज करना है, और things है तो it. तो things तो नहीं होगा, तो he और she में से कौन सा होगा बच्चों? Mona is a girl, so she. तो टिक, she में टिक मारना है, टिक करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, मदर गेव मी ए न्यू बुक. मदर इज ए फीमेल, सो दे इज नॉट, सो वी हैव टू टेक इन शी. सॉरी, मदर गेव मी ए न्यू बुक. डैश इज अ स्टोरी बुक. और जो मेरे को न्यू बुक दिए वो क्या है? एक स्टोरी बुक है. तो बुक के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? इट. इट के ऊपर क्या करना है? टिक करना है. ओके चलिए, इट इज अ स्टोरी बुक. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 3, मीशा, सुधा, पिया एंड रशी आर गोइंग आउट. हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन? 1 2 3 4 चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग आउट. Dash are going to the market. तो उन लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Market. So when there is plural noun you have to use they. तो they के ऊपर टिक मारना है. Okay children. So they are going to the market. Number 4. Anil came first in class. Anil, he is a boy. So you have to write he is a good student. Okay children. Next number 5. I am going to the library and they eat he is in MG road. So I am going to the library. पाठशाला means पुस्तकशाला. No, I am going to the library. और library name of place है ना, तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? इट इज ऑन MG रोड. वो लाइब्रेरी कहाँ पर है? MG रोड में है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. सो नेक्स्ट लैंग्वेज लैब यू सी शॉर्ट साउंड. ओके, लिसन टू दिस वर्ड्स, नोट द O and U sound. So short O sound and long O sound. You can hear hope, could, road means O के बाद after O only one letter is there, then that will be short O sound. Okay, hope, cod, rod, hop. No, this is when double letter will be there. O के बाद डबल लेटर आने से वो लॉन्ग साउंड हो जाता है. होप, कोड, रोड. नेक्स्ट यू. वैसे ही यू के बाद एक लेटर होने से वो शॉर्ट यू साउंड होता है. टब, हग, कब. लॉन्ग यू साउंड जब डबल लेटर आ जाता है, दो लेटर आ जाता है यू के बाद, तो वो लॉन्ग यू साउंड होता है. ट्यूब, ह्यूज, क्यूब. ओके चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो इन दिस वे you have to write. Say the name of each picture aloud, fill the blanks to complete the words. Okay, this is box. You can write here box, socks, frog, rose, R-O-S-E, rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Okay children. Okay, so next we'll see your question answer. I will show you. Please, the rainbow. Okay, the question answer of rainbow I'll show you. So children, you can see here the question answer of your chapter 5, the rainbow. So question number 1. What does the speaker compare clouds to? What does the speaker compare clouds to? The answer is the speaker compares clouds to boats and ships. Boats and ships के साथ compare करते हैं. Next question number 2. According to the speaker, what is far prettier than the bridges on the river. Bridges से रिवर में जो ब्रिज रहता है उससे फार प्रीतियर अधिक सुंदर कौन दिखता है? अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्पीकर द रेनबो. व्हाट इज द आंसर चिल्ड्रन? अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्पीकर द रेनबो इज फार प्रीतियर देन द ब्रिजेस ऑन द rivers. Okay children. Next question number 3. What does a rainbow build? Rainbow क्या बनाता है? Answers. A rainbow builds, B-U-I-L-D-S, builds a road from earth to sky. Okay, a rainbow builds a road from earth to sky. Sorry children, from earth to sky. Okay, you have to note down here. not showing this. Earth to sky. Okay, builds a road from earth to sky. Okay, next one is your question number 4. Write the meanings of these words. Number A, sail. Already the words are in your textbook. Okay, in your पेज नंबर 32 में है. Okay children, you have to see it. Sail means to move along or travel on water. Okay, next, bridge. Number 2 is bridge, means this is path across river, road or sea. Okay children, next, bow means something that is bent, known as bow. So these are the question answers of your chapter 5. Okay, see properly and write down. Okay children, next one is I will show you the question answer of chapter 1, the bundle of sticks. Some children requested me to send this question answer, so I am sending once again. Those who have not written, please write down. Why did the question number 1, why did the old man want to play a game with his sons? Answer is, the 3 sons of the old man were always fighting with each other, so he decided to play a game with his sons to keep them together. Okay children, next question number 2, what did the old man ask his sons to do? Sorry. Answer, the old man gave a bundle of 10 sticks to each of his 3 sons and told them to break one stick into 2 pieces. Told them to break one stick into 2 pieces. This is the first game. Okay, and second game another, isn't it? So that is the question number, answer number 2. Next, answer number 3, you see, question is, what happened to the sticks when they were all put together? All the sticks put together, then what happened? See, answer is, when all the sticks were put together, the 3 sons could not break the bundle. Could not break the bundle. Okay children. Number 4, what lesson did the sons learn? What lesson did the sons learn? The 3 sons, answer is, the 3 sons realized, R-E-A-L-I-Z-E-D, realized the power of unity through the bundle of sticks, and promised his father not to fight again. Not to fight again. Okay children, so please note down. Okay, okay, so please complete the question answers. Thank you children, bye bye.